Hey everybody, it's Jason here with ALC. Today I'm going to be building a portable cabin with this salvage wood right here, right after this. Welcome back to, I guess we'll call it part one of my cabin build. It's going to be a 6x6 cabin, and I used this salvaged lumber. It's 6-inch by 2-inch spruce. It's about 30 years old, and I salvaged it from an old farm fence. And as you can see, it's still in really great shape. And I'll show you exactly how I use this to build a 6-foot by 6-foot cabin that'll keep you warm in the coldest winter months. I started it inside because it's minus 40 degrees Celsius outside, so I'll be finishing this up and moving it outside and doing a little outdoor, I guess, camping. You could use this thing for ice fishing, hunting, and all sorts of really cool stuff. And the nice thing about it, it'll all load up into a 4x8 foot trailer, which you'll see in other episodes. But check it out.
can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a
So this is the main structure of the cabin. As you've seen, it's all tongue and groove, so it's all kind of locked into itself. It's very solid. On the inside, how I was capable of making it so quickly is that what I did is I pre-assembled it, and I'd put numbers on the floor, and then I'd put the numbers of the pieces so I knew exactly how they would fit perfectly. So now I'll put on the bracing and we'll build the roof. Well, there we go. The 6x6 cabin is built. It's like I said, it's mobile, and you could take it all apart, move on if you have to another location, or go to an ice fishing spot, or whatever works. Yet to do is this insulated roof. I'm just going to have to trim it a little shorter and put a couple pieces in the middle there, and just do a couple finishings inside. So. Be sure to watch my videos coming up. I'm definitely going to go camping in this a lot this winter. It's going to be really toasty warm, especially with that little tiny fireplace in here. That'll do plenty to keep that cabin very warm on even like a -20, -30 day. So be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.